Today we're going to talk about stripping. Now, not that kind of stripping, stripping your laundry. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a good one. What is that? Your water is going to come out looking like this too. I'm a dirty girl. I am a dirty girl. The idea and the method of stripping laundry has been out there. It's new to me, okay? It's very new to me. So what does it mean to strip your laundry? You're really gonna give it that clean where it pulls out like laundry detergent and fabric softener, which is not good for you, by the way. It's like one of the most deadliest things that you can have in your home is fabric softener, along with dryer sheets. So this is why I always use vinegar, where you put the fabric softener in the washing machine. Fluffs up my towels, makes everything smell good. So also with stripping, you're removing the mineral buildup, especially if you have hard water. You're removing body oils, dirt, bacteria. And then my sister-in-law told me about an Instagram account called Go Clean Co. And I am addicted to their Instagram. I watched how they strip their clothes and I was blown away. We are going to strip towels, our white clothes, and our bed sheets, and I am saving the best for last. So this is what you're going to need: borax, Arm & Hammer washing soda, and Tide. And also that Instagram account uses something called Calgon. I don't know, sometimes she uses it, sometimes she doesn't, but you don't have to. So I'm not sure exactly what it is or what it does. Maybe I'll leave here once I find out what that's all about. But you don't need it. I watched a few other people do this and they didn't use it as well. You're gonna be fine if you can't get your hands on it. In a bowl, you're going to mix together 1/4 cup of the borax, 1/4 cup of the washing soda, and if you do get your hands on that Calgon, you're going to use another 1/4 of a cup of that, and a generous scoop of Tide. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill your tub with hot water. If your tap water doesn't get hot enough, maybe boil some and put it in your tub. And you could do it a few ways. You could then add in your clothes and then put the soap on top. The first couple of loads, I put the solution into the tub and let it dissolve. Then I put my clothes on. Either way, it turned out great. So whatever comes to your head first. But they do suggest that you put your offending clothes into the water first, then dump the detergent solution on top and then mix it in. So this whole pile of towels are clean. The ones folded obviously have been washed already, and the bunch here on top of the tub I just got out of the dryer. They're not fully dried though. So I just figured, let's just get them out of the dryer. They don't need to finish drying, but these are all clean towels. So my first tip for you before you get going on to this fun project is find the time when you could do it when you're home. So you're going to stir your laundry every hour for 4, 6, or 8 hours. Okay, it's been 1 hour, so I'm gonna come in and mix this. You can see that the water is already dark. Now this isn't dye from the towels because I've had these for years. So it's actually stripping. So I'm gonna give this a stir. I grabbed this tool that way. I could grab on as I break it. I broke it. That's great. That's wonderful. So we're gonna let this sit and soak for another hour, and then I'll come in and stir it again. Okay, it's been another hour and it's getting darker. Okay, we'll let this go for another hour. Oh, it is so dark. I'm going to drain everything out, put it in my laundry basket right here, and then we'll throw them in the washing machine. Wow. There is a ton of soap in these, so we don't need to add soap. We're just gonna run them through a cycle. I'm gonna do a third rinse just because there's so much soap in there. You guys, I hope you can see this. There is dirt and ucky all on the rim. I don't know if it's lint or dirt, but holy cow. Next up is our whites. Okay, here's the white clothes. I just added them in and I put the powder on top and mixed it in. You guys, it's immediately turning. Holy moly. These are socks, underwear, t-shirts, tank tops, dress shirts, underwear, a couple of bras. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a good one. So here's the aftermath of the white clothes. Pretty dang dingy, right? Did put the laundry into the washing machine with vinegar and bleach. Let's drain this water. There is some uckiness there in the bottom of my tub. Ooh, so, all right, I'm gonna rinse my tub out. But that was what it looked like after the white clothes. Our white clothes weren't as white. They just weren't. And so they went in kind of like blah white clothes, okay? Look at this. These are so white, so white. And I got a comment on Instagram when I posted a picture about the bathtub and stripping the laundry the other day, where one of you asked, could it remove armpit stains? And yes, it can. I don't always put bleach in my white clothes. I noticed I could go through a few washes and then I'll add bleach in. But this round I added the bleach in and oh my gosh, you guys, they're so white, they're gorgeous. I mean, even Derek noticed. I didn't notice a stink. I've had people say, oh, it smells. I don't know, the Tide smell like overpowered me and I couldn't smell my laundry. So you might smell something. I know I've talked to other people, they smelt their laundry like, ew, this smells gross. I didn't experience it. To me, the Tide detergent was just very overpowering. I saved the best for last. It was our bed sheets and the mattress covers off of Derek and I's bed. This is the worst one. Okay, it's been way over an hour and look at the water already. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna give this a stir and let it sit for another hour. When it was done, I did the same thing. Moved it over to the washing machine, used the vinegar as a fabric softener, and washed as normal. Look at this water. Look at it. Will you just look at it? Oh my gosh, look at it. This water is incredible. Right? Ooh. Then I drained the water.
Separating?
This is what was left
After it drained?
after it drained.
No, that's all. Ugh.
Oh my gosh. What the what? What is that? I swear we're clean people. Does this reflect poorly on me? We're clean people. No, your water is gonna come out looking like this too. I don't even wanna know what that is. I don't even wanna know. Is it skin? Is it lint? Is it dust mite? Okay, I'm gagging. I seriously can't. Do it, strip it, baby, strip. You're gonna appreciate it when it's all said and done. What have you noticed when you stripped your laundry? What are some things that we could avoid or add to? I would love, love, love to know. I want pictures, okay? Tag me on Instagram, DM me. I won't show them publicly, but if you really want to show me, I definitely want to see because it literally is like, psh. Bye.